Hi guys, welcome back to Miss Kitchen. As I promised you guys, I was going to bring you the prawn recipe. Here we go, guys. I love prawns so much. Like, I'm in love with prawns. Ooh, prawns are my favorite. Okay, and then these ones had to be garlic prawns. So we start by washing our prawns. This is what I hate about prawns. Guys, when you're buying prawns, I would advise you buy already prepared. But then I like the shell. Okay, I'm a confused cockroach. Please do forgive me. But then, yeah, I like the whole shell and how it takes in all the juices. So you end up going through this. I start by cutting off the legs, the hands, and yeah, everything you can cut off. The process is painful, guys. I really hate doing it. Before we even get to the point of removing the poop sack, it's a lot of work. Anyways, we are going to be putting butter. I love butter. Once your butter melts, you're now going to put your prawns. English bundle sometimes just runs away, guys. Forgive me. Then we're going to prepare our garlic. I think this is my favorite part when I'm making the garlic prawns. Like, ooh, the garlic has to garlic, guys. I don't know if you get me. But then what's prawns without butter and garlic? Guys, this is so delicious. Anyways, we are going to be blending our prawns. After blending our prawns, we're just going to put everything in a container where we're now going to mix all our spices and make the best of it. So we're going to start with cayenne pepper, as I like that bit of chilliness going on. So we're not going to put a lot, just a bit, just enough for it to be spicy but not too spicy, so that everyone in the house is able to eat. And then we are going to be using the mixed herbal sauce. The mixed herbal spice. Don't know how I'm calling it a sauce. Guys, anyways. Yeah, the opening process and actually putting a whole spoon, because we need the flavors to come through, guys. We need the flavors to come through. And then we're going to use the vegetable seasoning. I love the vegetable seasoning. I think that's like my go-to thing. It's my favorite spice. And yeah, we're just going to mix that together. You can add a bit of salt. I usually cook with or without salt. High blood pressure situations, so I usually don't add salt. So after frying my prawns in butter, remember not to overcook them because they become rubbery, and that's what we do not want. We do not want rubbery prawns. So we're just going to put the mixture of our garlic and all the mixed spices into our prawns. We're going to mix together. Guys, remember not to overcook your prawns. Very important key to don't overcook your prawns. And then, yeah, that's it, guys. Very simple, very fast. And you've got your amazing dish going on. You can serve it with several dishes. As you all know, we're having it with creamy pasta. Yes, guys, with creamy pasta. Anyway, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please tell a friend to tell a friend. Guys, let's reach that 1,000 mark. Your girl's broke. That's why she hardly cooks. Girl is hunting for money. Anyway, this is how we ate and enjoyed the meal. Remember, I love you guys. Stay blessed.